Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look inspired by the Zodiac sign Taurus. Now this is going to be the first video of a series, and if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have already done my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I already did one eye to save a little bit of time. So now I am going to prime this lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in a shade C4. And I am using the Jessup Concealer Buffer brush, and next to this I will use the Real Techniques sponge. For today's look, I'm using the You Can Be Belonging eyeshadow palette, but if you have the Urban Decay Born to Run, you can also use that one. And I will leave, as always, all of the makeup that I use in the description box with all of the links. So to start, I'm going to take this matte brown color, and I'm using the Jessup Petite Eye Blender. And I'm packing this on the outer and inner corner of the lid. I didn't set the concealer, and I'm just really taking it on the crease as well. This will look really bad, but I promise it will be fine. Now I'm going to take the Jessup Luxe Petite Crease brush to blend the edge of this brown shadow. Okay, so this video is my 100th video, and I am really happy that I've gotten here. And okay, so my inspiration for this video was actually from Glam & Gore when she did the My Sign Picks My Makeup challenge or tutorial. Next I'm going to take the Luxe Crease brush, and I'm going to use this shade, and I'm going to blend the edge of the brown. So this Zodiac makeup tutorial will be a series of 12 videos all over the next year, and I've decided to start with Taurus because this is my sign, and I had to do a little bit of research for this series. So basically the Taurus Zodiac sign starts on April 20, and my birthday is on May 16. Okay, and now I am taking the Jessup Luxe Soft Crease brush, and I'm going to use this matte shade to blend the edge of the previous shade. Okay, so for this series I basically searched for every zodiac sign, and for Taurus I searched Taurus color palette, and there are a few different color palettes, but mostly the colors that are more agreed on is a lot of browns and greens, and also soft pink. So I decided to do a brown and green eye, and then I'll use the soft pink on my lips. Okay, so So that part is done, and now for this sort of halo eye, I'm gonna take again the concealer on my lid. And I'm seeing where the concealer goes. And I'm gonna do that shape with the Jessup Cream Shader. Taking a little bit more of the concealer, I picked it up with the brush directly on the wand just to make it a little bit more opaque, and then blend a little bit of that edge. Now, for the center of the eye, I am taking the Luxe Smoky Shader, and I'm going to use first this shimmery green, and then on the outer and inner corner, I'll use the dark brown shimmer. This palette has a really nice pigmentation. I have done a full review on this. If you haven't seen it yet, I will leave it linked up on the cards. I'm now taking that brown shimmer. I'm using less shadow on the inner corner, and on the outer corner I've taken the dark brown really to the edge of my lid. And I actually think this eye blended better than this one, but I just want to add a little bit more of this shade to soften up the edge of those colors. On my brow bone and also on my inner corner, I used a mix of these two shades. I don't know if I said it, I used the Jessup Luxe pencil. And now on my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Jessup Smudger brush. And I am going to take the matte brown close to my lashes, and then I'm going to blend it with this shade. On my waterline, I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution multi-liner pencil. I think that's what this is called. I'm going to take the black, not like the Night's Watch, but I'm going to take the black on the upper waterline and also smoke it a little bit close to the lashes. And then I'll take the nude on my lower waterline. And for mascara, I am using the L'Oreal Paradise Aesthetic. Okay, so I'm just going to clean up any fallout. And I'm now going to do my base, and I'm just going to do my usual base. So I'm going to use the Primark Vitamin Primer, the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation, and again the Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm going to use the Cien Compact Powder from Lidl. So this is pretty standard, and I'll do it off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my base finished, and for blush I'm going to use another Lidl product. This is the Cien blush in Secret Lovers. It's kind of a peachy color, and I thought it would go very well with this look. peach and green go very well together. For highlighter, I am going to use the Soft X highlighter palette. I think I'm going to use this shade. And I should have probably done bronzer first, but anyways, I'm going to use the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer. That looks like this. This is in the shade Sun Celebration Honey. Okay, and because I just now used the bronzer, I'm just going to add a little bit more of that highlighter. Okay, now for my lips, I will use again the multi-liner pen, and I'm going to use the nude color to just help a little bit better the lipstick. I am using the Kiko Velvet Passion Matte Lipstick in this pinky color. This is the shade 315. This isn't exactly the same shade as the lipstick, but I think it will help to make it glide on better. And to set this makeup, I am using the Primark Fix and Perfect. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is my take on a Taurus inspired makeup. There's the brown green and also the soft pink. This is what the eyeshadow looks like up close. And also one quick question. I am thinking about doing a giveaway, a small giveaway, but I am almost at 200 subscribers and also at 10,000 views. And my birthday is also coming up, so with all those reasons, I was thinking about doing a giveaway. And I thought I could give away one of the Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palettes. This is the one that I have. This is the Iconic Division, but I will leave a pinned comment down below, so let me know which one of these Reloaded palettes you would like to win. Okay, and this is everything for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to answer the pinned comment. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!